Let me tell you the beautiful, notable pronouncement by Akpabio, Justice of the Supreme Court, as he still is. He said, modernity and technology stare us in the face, and we cannot turn back the hand of time. He said, to go against the use of technology and electronic transmission and transfer of election results in this high-tech era and period is to be an enemy of democracy, and to stick to the vicious cycle of election rigging, manipulation, falsification, and subterfuge. This is the pronouncement of Akpabio, Justice of the Supreme Court. And he went further to plead with the legislature that they should amend this.
Is it the 2023?
2023
Okay.
article versus INEC.
Okay.
Number 2, 2023.
Okay.
19 Nigeria Weekly Law Report, part 1917.
Right.
761 at page 876.
All right. Good.
And in 877, the learned judge Akpabio of the Supreme Court went further to plead with the legislature to please nip this confusion in the bud by making it clear and unambiguous through amending the process that legislature, that INEC does not have any discretion, that it is mandatory. I had to state the case. Atiku's case was the only presidential appeal that was considered by the Supreme Court. So it is the only appeal now that tells you the position of the Supreme Court as long as presidential election is concerned, using the Electoral Act 2022. Now, some judges, even in that judgment, like Akomai Agim, was of the opinion that 2022 Act made it clear that electronic transmission is compulsory. He said it must be done.
Wow.
So the issue here is that some judges differed.
Yeah.
But the issue here is this. Why would the legislature prevaricate on an issue that the Supreme Court had told you that it encourages electoral rigging, manipulation, and makes you an enemy of democracy? What it means is that Senator Godswill Akpabio has become an enemy of democracy and is sticking to the vicious cycle of election rigging, manipulation, falsification, and subterfuge by trying to maintain the same provision that Supreme Court told you that if you do, you are an enemy of democracy. That man is an enemy of democracy and should be removed if he doesn't resign.